Welcome to the 2020 Lockdown Olympics. Here come the representatives bearing their pyjama flags. Look at them as they walk round the track, proud as ever. Watch their flags wave in the breeze. The first contestant is India. Look at her flag go. The second contestant is Darcy. Here she goes. The final contestant is Harper. Off comes the dressing gown. And now we see our contestants warming up, ready for the run and today's events. Let's get going. First, we have the flour athlon.
I'm going to bake a cake. I'm going to make cookies. I'm going to make blueberry muffins.
The last bag of flour in Hampshire. There's a bit of argy-bargy in the lineup. What's this? Harper was in first, but she's fallen over. Darcy's taken the lead. Oh, she's almost there. Watch her go. And she's done it. Just look at her go. That flour in hand. And now we move on to the toilet toss, where contestants have to throw the toilet roll as far as they can. Wow, that was a great throw from India. 100 meters. That's going to be tough to beat. Next we have Harper. She runs and she throws. It's good, but it's not good enough, falling short with 85 meters. Wow, Darcy's just finished her 7th smoothie. I think she's going to need some of that loo roll soon. Anyway, next up is Darcy. That's what she's got to beat, 100 meters. Making a toilet roll lighter, smart choice. But what's this? She's thrown it over her head. She's scored a -5 meters. Next we have basket shirt, where contestants have got to throw their 3 items into the basket. Oh look, India's got one. Darcy and Harper missed. Oh, India's missed. Oh, they've all missed. They run out to get their missed items. Darcy misses again. India throws one but misses. Harper gets one in. India misses another. Darcy misses one. Darcy and Harper both get one in. India gets one in. Oh, and they all miss. Darcy misses. India gets it in and she's won. Harper gets it in and comes second. Oh, it's tough luck for Darcy. Welcome to Maskery, where contestants have to knock over hand gel bottles using a mask slingshot. Darcy's up first. And wow, she knocks over 6. They've got to knock them off the stool though. There goes a split. She's knocked off the 2 and she completely misses the last 2. Here comes India and she knocks over 7, then 2 and the final one. She's done it. And here comes Harper. She knocks 6 off. She could still do it. Then she knocks off 2. And the other 2, she's in tied first. Ding dong, delivery! And here they come down the stairs. Oh no, India's slipped. Oh, Harper's gone down the banister. Darcy's fallen over. Harper's to the door first. And Harper receives the delivery. I have a delivery. Yes, that's for me. And Harper takes the parcel, triumphant. The scores are in. Darcy's in third, Harper's in second, and India's in first. Don't they look proud, representing their country?